Hello, today we show you how to make some delicious cupcakes for Easter. Cupcakes are very easy and simple to make to celebrate Easter with your friends, for example. For this recipe you need some flour, some sugar, a pinch of salt, some baking powder, some oil, milk, some baking cups, vanilla extract and eggs. And for the utensil you need a bowl, a whisk and a mold. First, in the bowl, you put all the dry ingredients. First of all, 200 grams of flour. You can add 150 grams of sugar and a packet of baking powder. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. Now you can whisk. Now it's time to add the other ingredients, so 2 eggs. You can add 130 grams of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 80 grams of oil. And now you can whisk. This is what your preparation must looks like, and now it's time to put in the mold. Before, you can preheat your oven at 180 degrees. In the mold, you have to put your baking cups to put the preparation inside. Now, with a tablespoon, you can fill the mold with the cupcake preparation. You don't need to put the preparation to the top because the cupcakes will blow. And normally, you will end up with 12 cupcakes. Now it goes straight to the oven. Let it cook for about 15 minutes. To make the icing, you just need 500 grams of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, some vanilla extract, and for the decoration I have chocolate eggs, some sprinkles, sugar paste and almond. Now we have to make the decoration of our cupcakes. This is so easy, you just have to mix all the ingredients together. And the funny part is to decorate them with some toppings and some decoration. You can add the icing sugar and the milk. And mix. The texture has to be very smooth and creamy. If you want, you can separate the icing in 2 parts to color them with some food coloring. I had 1 drop of red food coloring to make a light pink. If the knife is clean, it means that the cupcakes are ready. Now you can let your cupcakes cool. I need white and pink sugary paste to make some rabbit ears. To make some ears, you just have to make 2 ovals with the white sugar paste and finally add 2 pink ovals in the middle. And now we can decorate the cupcakes. For the first one, I put some white icing and some sprinkles. Of course, it will be more beautiful if you use a piping bag. You can also make some dots with the icing on the cupcakes. This is very fun because you can decorate the cupcakes as you want. On this one, I had white pearls. My cupcakes look like this. I told you that the recipe was very easy.